What is going on, YouTube? We got a treat. 2 CNHL, 8S, obviously, 800 kV. You know the spiel, Vidavon everywhere. I built a new ramp. We're about to hit it. Here we go. All right, y'all, there it is. We got us a treat, my new ramp. We're gonna try to send it to my buddies. My neighbor is my buddy, but his neighbor, and we're gonna try to send it in their yard. Hopefully they don't care. We're gonna have to do better than that, though. I gotta get back here and see. Hey, stay over here, Hunter, buddy. Yeah. That was a little weak too, y'all. I didn't even hit it hard. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. All right, let me make sure I'm recording this, not the sky, y'all, because I got a bad habit of recording the sky and not y'all getting the video. All right, y'all, adjusted my camera and my hat a little bit and try this again. That thing slaps down so hard. Sounds like for sure something's breaking. We need to hit this baby. Hell yeah. Dude, did you see that, bro? Start doing backflips off of it. Watch this shit. Here she comes. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That was bad. For some reason. But yeah, dude, I ain't hitting it hard at all yet. I'm just playing and feeling her out, bud. Dude, it's 40 pounds. Oh, ramp shaved it. Oh, that's how you break diffs. Landing on power. Lower this thing. That's pretty high, dude. Oh, it unplugged. Dang, through the smoke clear. Dang, go on, boys. Boys, what are you doing over there running around? All right, y'all, I'm in some random people's yards here, trying to plug her back in. Hey, y'all see I'm barely hitting this thing, right? Wait till I really get out in the field and can lick this son of a bitch. We're gonna really go for a ride. Let's see what this looks like. Awesome. That's what it looked like. Awesomeness. Oh, truck. Throwing rocks all over myself. Beautiful, y'all. Oh, I about clipped that thing. Oh, I knew better than to do that, y'all. I knew better. All right. I want to try a front flip or something, but I'm scared to death of it. Gotta hit the ramp first before you can do anything like that, huh? Tires digging in his bodies for a infraction, I think it is. Landed the fronty flip. Flip, boy. Huh? I did it on purpose. Pretty lucky, he said. We can go watch the video. We can go watch video and you hear me say, let's land a front flip. That was a sweet one though, y'all. With the big girl front flip. Missed the ramp. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, that was honestly one of my first front flips with this thing and it was scary as hell. Oh! 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 That broke it. That broke it. What'd I break? Damn it, that was my own stupidity right there. Oh, that was stupid, Kenny. What'd I break? Oh, I know I didn't break that. Oh, it did. It snapped a Vidavon link in half, y'all. Are you kidding me? How the hell? Wow. That's insane, y'all. Never in my life have I seen some shit like that. I got one over. I'll put a stock one on it, but that's gonna have to get, yeah, holy crap. Well, guys, what's going on? Looking over the truck, all I'm seeing is plastic end on here. I'm seeing, obviously what we've seen to begin with, the only thing I've seen. Vidavon snapped it. That was, yeah, that was bad, though. Yeah, let's go around here. Take a look at that dog bone, y'all. Look at that thing. Look at that dog bone. What? Get out of here. What? What? Look at that thing. But she's still straight, though. Yeah. That's all I'm seeing so far. We're gonna get her back together, though. Get back at it. All right, y'all.